This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, not who's a car, but a moving masterpiece. A symbol of status, elegance, and pure luxury. Today, we explore what makes this large luxury sedan truly dreamy. The Phantom's presence is unmatched. Long, elegant proportions, a commanding chrome grille, massive handcrafted wheels. Every line is clean. Every surface reflects perfection. This isn't aggressive, it's graceful power. Step inside, and the world becomes silent. Hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, metal finishes polished by hand. The iconic Starlight headliner glows above you, like sitting beneath a private galaxy. And in the rear seat, you don't just sit, you relax in first-class comfort. Under the hood lies a powerful V12 engine, but you don't feel aggression, you feel effortless motion. It glides, it floats, it isolates you from the outside world. This is not built for speed, it's built for serenity. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not about competition, it's about exclusivity. It's not trying to impress, it already commands respect. If luxury had a throne, the Phantom would be sitting on it. Would you choose this as your dream car? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more luxury automotive content.